Want to change language in Indiana Jones and the Great Circle, Xbox and PC? This video will show you the full guide to setting your preferred language. Let's dive in. First things first, changing the language in Indiana Jones and the Great Circle can usually be done through the game's in-game settings or your game launcher. Now, the easiest way is to change it within the game itself. Launch Indiana Jones and the Great Circle. From the main menu, go to Options or Settings. Look for a section related to Language, Audio, or Display. Here you should find options to change the text language, subtitles, UI, and audio language, voiceovers. Select your preferred language from the available options. Confirm your changes and restart the game if prompted. If the in-game option isn't working or you prefer to set it externally, you can often do so through your game launcher, Xbox app, PC Game Pass. Go to the Xbox app, right-click Indiana Jones, select Manage, then Files or Language to see if there's an option. Sometimes it's tied to your Windows display language. Steam. Right-click Indiana Jones in your library. Go to Properties, then Language. Select your desired language from the drop-down menu. Steam will then download any necessary language files. Ensure the language pack is installed. Some languages might require additional downloads. If this helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more gaming tips, and let me know in the comments what you want to see next.